So you're thinking about bidding at Garnet Gazelle? Great choice! Here you can set your own price and have an amazing experience given the opportunity to win unique items every week. Today I will show you how to register for an auction on our website, garnetgazelle.com, and how to get started placing bids. First, go to login/new bidder at the very top of our homepage. If you do not see this button, you first need to click where it says auction on our navigation menu to return to our homepage. If you have never made an account with HiBid, our website partner, you'll need to make a HiBid account first. To do this, click register here. First, you will enter your email address. You will need to enter it twice to ensure there is not a typo or mistake. Step 2 of the registration process is to fill out some information. You do not have to enter a company name, but it is recommended only if your winnings will be delivered to a business address. Double check that your information is accurate and then create your username and password. This should be something you can remember. Now click create new account. You now have a HiBid account, so the hard work is done. Once you are logged into your HiBid account on garnetgazelle.com, you are ready to register for any auction that interests you. Click the register to bid button and then select a payment method. You cannot update this online after selecting submit registration, so choose carefully. If you have not added a payment method to your HiBid account, you can do so at this time by clicking here. Once you have read and understood the terms and conditions, click Submit Registration. Now it's time to bid. Let's select View Catalog for the auction we just registered for. Let's say you'd like lot number 4. Click Bid dollar amount here, and then confirm your bid. After confirming, you'll immediately know if you are winning or were outbid. We can also see how much is remaining for each lot in the catalog here in blue. There is typically only seconds between each lot closing, so you may opt to place a higher bid than what is required. If the next bid increment is $60, but you place a bid for $100, you may still win the item for $60 if nobody else bids. But if somebody else bids $70, the computer will know to bid $80 so that you are not outbid. And the computer will only stop if the item gets over $100 before the item closes. We highly recommend you utilize the automatic bidding system because the auction is very fast paced and sometimes there are internet outages and other inconveniences that may get in the way of you attending the auction at closing time. Speaking of closing time, when the first lot of the auction nears closing, we have a live catalog. You will see a flashing button there beside where we saw only View Catalog earlier. The live catalog is the same as the View Catalog, but the time now shows seconds and can hide any items which have already finalized as sold. This is helpful to make sure you do not have to refresh your internet browser very often as it keeps all the bids up to date for you. You will notice if an item gets a bid within the last 2 minutes. Then the time will extend by 2 minutes. This is to ensure a fair bidding experience, rather than the person with the fastest last click to bid winning everything. It is sold to the highest bidder, how auctions are meant to be. After the auction concludes, we will download all of the data from HiBid and then process your credit or debit card on file. We do combined shipping for jewelry auctions and will send you the tracking number within 1 business day. We will ship internationally. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us by email at support@garnetgazelle.com or by phone at 854-429-3553. If I said that too fast, just dial 854-GAZELLE. We are typically available from 8 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. Central Time.